Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to cast any Android phone to your smart TV in a second without install any extra app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are sharing the same Wi-Fi internet with your Android phone and your smart TV. And for you to be sure of that, you need to make sure you head over to settings on your smart TV. So on getting to setting icon, simply click on OK and it's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to network and internet. So click on that. Then just like what you see right here, you can see that I have already connected with Infinix Note 30 right here. Now, if you have not connected your Wi-Fi internet with your smart TV, that's the first thing you need to do. After you have successfully connected the Wi-Fi of your Android phone with your smart TV, next thing you need to do is to head over back to your Android phone. So after you open up settings, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on search right here. So what you want to do right here is to simply type in cast. So once you type in cast, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this one right here, cast. So click on that. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you head over to cast. Click on cast and it's take you right here. What you need to do right here is to make sure you turn on this particular button right here. So once you turn it on, it's going to discover your TV name. So just like what you see on the screen right here, the name of my TV is 2K Smart TV. So what you want to do is to click on this TV name and this is going to pump up. Simply click on start now. Just like so, as you can see right here, it has received signal from our Android phone to our smart TV. So if I try to do anything on my phone, it will automatically appear on my Android screen, just like what you see right here. So if you open up any app right here, it will automatically show on your smart TV. So if I open my Instagram app right here, just like what you see right here, you can see Instagram newsfeed right here. So you can literally do anything from your phone and it will automatically display on your smart TV, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.